Welcome to our AI-powered guide to 4 powerful meditation techniques inspired by the ancient wisdom of Hinduism, Buddhism, Taoism, and Shinto. In the next 10 minutes, we'll explore how these traditions approach meditation, their similarities, differences, and how each can meet your unique needs. Plus, we'll dive into the scientific data that supports these practices and how AI is enhancing our understanding of their benefits. Meditation is a universal practice that transcends cultures, but each tradition brings its own flavor. Hinduism's meditative practices often focus on union with the divine through techniques like mantra and breath control. Buddhism emphasizes mindfulness and insight, leading to a deep understanding of the nature of reality. Taoism's meditation seeks harmony with the Tao, the underlying force of the universe, while Shinto practices center around purification and connection with the kami, or spirits. AI tools have been instrumental in analyzing these practices, revealing how they affect brain activity, reduce stress, and enhance well-being. Let's dive into each. Hindu meditation techniques such as yoga and tantra are ancient practices designed to align the body, mind, and spirit. Mantra meditation, one of the most popular techniques, involves the repetition of sacred sounds like Om, creating vibrations that resonate with the universe. Pranayama, or breath control, helps in regulating energy and calming the mind. These practices aim to achieve moksha, or liberation, connecting with the divine. Studies have shown that mantra meditation can significantly reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. A study published in The found that regular mantra meditation can improve cognitive function and enhance focus by altering brainwave patterns. Another study in the demonstrated that pranayama, or controlled breathing, can improve respiratory function and reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. AI-assisted neuroimaging studies further reveal that mantra meditation can create a state of deep relaxation and heightened awareness by positively altering brainwave patterns. Hindu meditation shares common ground with other traditions in its focus on the mind-body connection, but it stands out for its use of mantras and emphasis on reaching a divine state. Unlike Buddhist mindfulness, Hindu practices are often more devotional. If you're seeking a spiritual connection, want to explore the vibrational power of sound, or need a structured approach to calm the mind, Hindu meditation techniques may be the best fit for you. For those interested in the science, AI analysis shows that mantra meditation can effectively reduce cortisol levels, aiding in stress management. Buddhism offers various meditation practices, with Vipassana and Zen being among the most well-known. Vipassana, or insight meditation, focuses on observing the mind and body without attachment, leading to a deep understanding of the impermanent nature of all things. Zen meditation, or Zazen, emphasizes sitting in stillness and being fully present, often with the support of a koan, a paradoxical question or statement used to provoke enlightenment. Research such as that published in has shown that mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. A meta-analysis in Psychological Bulletin confirmed that mindfulness-based practices improve emotional regulation and decrease levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Additionally, Harvard University research found that regular mindfulness practice increases the density of gray matter in brain regions associated with memory, learning, and emotional regulation. AI-enhanced research has demonstrated that long-term meditation can lead to significant mental health benefits, including reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. These findings underscore the profound impact that Buddhist meditation can have on both mental and emotional well-being. Buddhist meditation shares the goal of self-transformation with Hindu practices, but diverges in its approach. While Hinduism often seeks union with the divine, Buddhism aims for enlightenment through detachment and mindfulness. If your goal is to cultivate awareness, reduce stress, live in the present moment, or enhance mental clarity, Buddhist meditation, with its emphasis on mindfulness and insight, might be the perfect path. AI data suggests that even short-term mindfulness practice can improve focus and reduce negative thought patterns. Daoist meditation is rooted in the philosophy of the Tao, the natural way of the universe. Techniques like Zuowang or sitting and forgetting and Tai Chi are designed to harmonize the body's energy with the Tao. The goal is to cultivate inner tranquility, balance, and longevity. Unlike the intense focus of Buddhist meditation, Daoist practices often emphasize ease and spontaneity, following the natural flow of life. Scientific studies have shown that Tai Chi significantly improves balance, reduces the risk of falls, and enhances overall physical health, particularly in older adults. A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity highlights these benefits. Furthermore, research published in the Journal of Psychosomatic Research demonstrates that Tai Chi reduces stress and anxiety by regulating the autonomic nervous system, promoting a state of calm and relaxation. Harvard Medical School also found that regular Tai Chi practice can enhance cardiovascular health, improve flexibility, and boost mental clarity. AI-driven studies have mapped the subtle energy flows in the body during Tai Chi, correlating them with physical and mental health improvements. These insights highlight the profound impact of Daoist meditation on overall well-being. Like Hindu and Buddhist traditions, Taoism values the mind-body connection, but uniquely emphasizes aligning with nature and the spontaneous flow of life. If you're looking for a practice that promotes relaxation, physical health, inner tranquility, and a deeper connection with nature, Daoist meditation techniques, especially Tai Chi, are worth exploring. AI-based feedback systems have shown that Tai Chi can significantly improve balance and coordination, making it an excellent choice for physical and mental well-being. Shinto meditation is closely tied to the worship of kami, the spirits of nature, ancestors, and deities. Practices like Misogi, a purification ritual, and meditation at sacred sites are designed to cleanse the mind and body, creating a space for the kami to enter. Unlike the introspective focus of Buddhist or Daoist meditation, Shinto practices are often more outwardly directed, emphasizing reverence for nature and the divine. Studies published in Frontiers in Psychology have shown that rituals involving nature, a key aspect of Shinto, can significantly reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Immersion in natural environments, a practice deeply embedded in Shinto tradition, has been linked to lower blood pressure, reduced levels of stress hormones, and enhanced mood. AI-enhanced research has demonstrated that engaging in Shinto rituals, such as Misogi, can lead to profound psychological benefits, fostering a sense of peace and connection with the natural world. Shinto meditation shares the goal of spiritual purification with other traditions, but is unique in its deep connection to nature and the kami, making it more ritualistic and communal. If you're drawn to the idea of connecting with nature, engaging in rituals, and cultivating a sense of reverence for the spiritual world, Shinto meditation might resonate with you. AI-based studies have shown that even simple nature-based rituals can have a profound impact on mental health, making this practice ideal for those who find solace and energy in the natural world. Each meditation technique offers unique benefits, rooted in ancient wisdom and supported by modern science. Whether you're seeking spiritual connection, mindfulness, harmony with nature, or purification, there's a practice that fits your needs. If you're looking for structure and spiritual depth, Hindu practices may suit you. For mindfulness and stress reduction, Buddhist meditation is ideal. Daoist meditation is perfect for those who value relaxation and harmony with nature, while Shinto practices will resonate with those drawn to ritual and the natural world. AI tools have allowed us to quantify and enhance our understanding of these benefits, helping you choose the best practice for your needs. The scientific data is clear. Each of these meditation techniques offers profound benefits for both mental and physical health. Hindu mantra meditation can reduce stress and improve focus. Buddhist mindfulness practices are excellent for emotional regulation and reducing anxiety. Daoist Tai Chi promotes physical health and balance, and Shinto rituals offer unique benefits through their deep connection with nature. With the help of AI, we can now better understand these practices' effects and tailor them to meet individual needs, ensuring that your meditation journey is as effective and rewarding as possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey through meditation. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more AI-powered insights on enhancing your well-being. Namaste.